so cool. Come with me. Look what this does. I'm in a secret location in Munich, Germany to show you this special cave. It is so bright in here, you guys, you wouldn't believe. This is 20% of the sun's rays. If it was 100%, it would be like looking directly into the sun. You can see I'm blinking a lot. I'm finding it hard to see in here, it's so bright. And look at this, we are lighting up a McLaren Senna GTR. This car is so rare and so special. There are only 75 of these in the world. It's a $2 million car. Let me show you what all this fuss is about. I'll give you this so I can get in. Right. Oh, this is so cool. So cool. First time I'm getting into a Senna GTR, you guys. Oh, it's very squishy. Wow, I hardly even fit. Okay, thank you. All right, we're gonna place this here. Lock that off and make sure those little eyes are pointing forward. Okay, that's good. I'm standing in the most sophisticated car scanner in the world, you guys. Let me show you what it can do. This is so cool. Look at this, first of all. As you drive the car in, this scans the underside of the car, right? And these ones here scan the tread depth of the tires. This is Marcus, everyone, from Twitter. He's actually going to help me do this whole process. I actually have to walk out of the cave because it scans the paint on the car as well, and that needs really, really strong UV rays, and it'd actually be dangerous for a human to be inside the cave. Let's start this process. Woo-hoo! How cool does that look? Close her up. You're gonna scan the car now. Exactly. And then it'll take like 5 minutes, and then we'll have a look at all the things that it picks up. If you buy or sell a car, obviously you kind of want to know what condition the car is in, right? I've done this so many times. I'm like, oh, I really want to buy this car, but I've got to go and get it checked first. That's what this does, but on another level altogether. Check this out. So we've just scanned the Senna GTR. There's like a 360 profile of this car. What it does is it creates a digital twin. So basically that is exactly that car in there, but it's a twin digitally. What it also does is it gives you beauty shots. So if you want to sell your car, you get your car like this in a studio with all the lights perfect, and then they can add a background here. And then this is the cool stuff I really want to show you. See, look, it scans the tread depth of the tires. Now, this one is critical. It says, replace your tires immediately, because this car in here is a track-only car. It has slicks, so it doesn't have any tread on it. Check this out right here. It's going to show you that a body panel has been repainted. You see that? So that whole body panel and this one here. And that means you can start asking questions. Why has it been repainted? The other thing is it scans all the body panels, so it can identify which car it's looking at. It also shows you whether a car has previously had a wrap on it. Look at this. How cool is that? See, look, it used to be a military vehicle, so you can actually see that it used to have a wrap. Look, you can even make out the words. What I'm gonna do is put these little things on, and then we'll scan the car again and see if it recognizes all of these little marks. So this actually is going to pick up, hopefully, that it has like little scratches all over the car. Rim scratch. Okay. And a lip scratch. Okay. All right. Okay, let's see. Okay, look, there's the first attention marker, and that is where I place the first bit of a tape. So if we just go into that, it'll show us the damage. Okay, now what about the black marker? Because the black marker is much more difficult to see. What else did it pick up on? Got it. What it will be able to do is be able to tell you the fair price of your car, like the fair value for it, right? So that you know if you're buying the car or selling the car, what that price should be. Also guys, if you want to know when one of these machines comes to your city where you live, all you need to do is just go and register on their website. The website is twinner.com. Go and register there, and then as soon as one is in your city, they will let you know. But what they want to do is actually set them up in public locations, so you can just drive in with your car and within a couple of minutes you know exactly what's going on with that car that you wanted to buy. So I think that's quite cool. But that's coming. Oh, okay guys, it gets even better. I get to drive the Senna GTR for the very first time. I've driven the Senna, but not the GTR. Oh, this is crazy. All right, so this is a race car, track only McLaren. You've got these kind of race windows here. It's also got more horsepower than the standard Senna. It is much lower to the ground as well, so we've got to be super careful. All right, this one is number 61 of 75 in the world. Wow, look at this. This is a real racing steering wheel, isn't it? That's crazy. Look, track, race, track, wet. All right, attach the steering wheel. Oh, far out. This is how you turn her on. All these buttons. You gotta press the master down. All right, and now we just wait, okay? So look, everything kind of turns on here. The start button is up here. All right. Oh my God! All right. What? I can't hear anything. Absolute madness. This has 825 horsepower. The Senna has 800. This is a 4-litre twin turbo V8 and it sounds magical. Jump in. This is the fire system, so this is directly attached to the engine. So if something happens, you detect a fire, you push this button right here, and that will spray the engine with the fire retardant spray. I'd have my phones out too. Holy shit, this is a crazy car. Does it sound awesome? Sounds awesome, doesn't it? Ah! Oh my God, this is why I do this job, you guys. I could be in the worst mood ever and I get in a car like this and my mood just improves 1,000-fold. It makes me so happy. Oh, holy shit, this is awesome. Oh my God, who gets to do this? Wow. Oh, I definitely want to take this on the track now. God, this is amazing! Alright, that's it, you guys! Let me turn it off. My goodness, thank you so much to McLaren here in Munich for letting me drive. This is incredible. You can actually go and buy this exact McLaren Senna GTR on the Twinner website. You can find that website just in the description below. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the vid. That was so cool, seeing all this new tech and being able to drive this incredible car. I think I'm out. See you around. Bye.